What is up, guys? Today we're going to be opening up some magnificent Mavens in the search for Dark Magician Girl. The giveaway for this video is going to be a Mystical Elf White Lightning, and the name is super botched. I thought this one was really cool. It's going to stay sealed as well. The only thing you have to do to enter the giveaway is like, comment, and be a subscriber. And there's one more thing you're going to have to do for this giveaway, and I will tell you what it is about halfway through the video. Now, I had some filming error. My phone actually ran out of storage, but here's what we got so far. A Predaplant card, Predaplant, Witchcrafter Vice Madam, a BLS. I was saying I love the reprints in this set. Mizuki, Cat Shark, Sword Soul Assessment, Sky Striker Ace, and one of my favorite cards as far as art goes, Incredible Ecclesia. Oh, this is the first box, second, third, fourth, fifth. The display comes with 5 boxes. Each box has 4 packs with 5 cards, so 20 cards. Sword Soul Moyi, Witchcrafter Confusion, Bururu at Ignister, however you say that, Sword Soul of Tia, and a Sky Striker Ace. I'm thinking about doing a Sky Striker deck. Hopefully I can make it a budget deck also. I just don't know how well that would work. Last one for box 1, here we go. Evenly Matched, great card. Keldo, Sword Soul Blackout, Cheng Ying, and a Solitaire. Box 1 was pretty cool. The evenly matched. That's great. Okay, put box 1 there. Grab this one. Box 2. I love this card. I don't know if I'm going to sell it or not. Bow of the Goddess, Surgical Striker Hamp, Foolish Return, Secret Village of the Spellcasters, Sword Soul's Sacred Summit. Come on through here. Oh, the giveaway. The giveaways are going to be announced pretty soon. I'm assuming within the next week and a half of when I'm recording this. So hopefully by Easter they're announced. That's what I'm trying to do. Totally awesome. Great card. Medora the Sword Oracle. Onibimaru Soul Sweeper. This is another great card. Super, super cool. Witchcrafter Hane, Sky Striker Ace, Kagari. Next pack, pack 3. Sword Soul Emergence, Akeldo, Legendary Ocean, Aspis Chunjin, Sword Soul. Oh, we got something on the top. Strategist Lungwan. Last pack for the second box. Another Ecclesia. Very partial to that card. We got a Zeke. Predaplant. I can never say that right. We got a Daki. And a Hayate. Number 3. Oops. Revealing everything. Let's see if this is a good one, because this is the center box. So from the front it went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the center one. Let's see if they're protecting the good cards. Amoye, Kalvik, Bu Tuneful Princess, Hayate, and Aureliona. That's really cool art as well. Pack number 2. Boom, here we go. Another evenly matched. Medora, Doom Dozer, Sky Striker Mobilize Engage, Sacred. Oh, I thought there was one more. That is it. Pack 3. Where's the juicy stuff? Number 39, Topia Kaiser, Blast Held by Destiny, Light Imprisoning Mirror. I love this card as well. It's good against so many things. G-Golem Token, and a Mayakashi Return. Real quick before the last pack of the third box, to officially enter the giveaway, you will get the card I said, and you get to pick. Okay, I knew I was missing one. You get to pick a pack of sleeves to get also. So just tell me which pack you want, and that will enter you officially And more than likely, you know, at most, I suspect maybe 2 people will comment. So that's a 50% chance. If I could speak. Last pack, box 3. Yeah, YuGiOh. A Gozen match. Also really good. Vampire's Curse. Exchange of the Spirit. Nothing crazy, box 3. Let's see about box 4. Ice Dragon's Prison, Witchcrafter Confusion, Shadow Imprisoning Mirror, Cat Shark, and a Mizuki. It's always good to see him. I love seeing him. Got a Calicia, that's a playset of that. Keldo, that's either the third or second, no, that's the third. Doom Dozer, second of him. We got a multi-roll and a G Golem token. Another Alplos above the Goddess. Happy about that. Aileron. Sword Soul Blackout. Sword Soul of Taya. Taya? How do you say that? Sky Striker Ace Ray. Last pack, box 4. Got a Change of Heart. The Surgical Striker Hamp. Gozen match. Sword Soul Supreme Sovereign. Cheng Ying. Shirinu Solitaire. And that's it there. Last box. Let's see if we can get some last box magic. Pack number 1 of the last box. Here we go, finally. Lightning Storm. Aileron. Shadow Imprisoning Mirror. Dark Soul. Oh, usually the token's last. And a Nightmare Cerberus. Millennium Eyes Restrict, Keldo the Sacred Protector, Sword Soul Strife, Nightmare Phoenix, Metal Reflect Slime, Ice Dragon's Prison, Medora, the Predaplant card, Kagari, and a Ray. Last pack, Boral Sword Dragon, Yukana, Boobaroo, A Hero Lives, and a Shark Cannon. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Remember to like, comment, doing the little comment challenge thing, and be a subscriber, and you will automatically be entered in the giveaway. Catch y'all next time.